How to manage media settings on Viber. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily manage your media settings so you can control what gets downloaded, saved, and displayed, and save that precious phone storage. So let's get started. First thing first, open your Viber app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now tap open the more option. That's the three horizontal lines or the more icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, select settings from the menu. Under the settings, tap on media. Here you can control several things. Auto download media, save to gallery. You can turn this off or on based on your preference. If you are low on storage or using limited data, I recommend turning off auto download and auto play, especially on mobile data. And that's it, you have just customized your Viber media settings like a pro. Super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.